Hello everyone and welcome to my channel FoodThesis. Here I am going to prepare a very easy recipe known as minced chicken rice bowl recipe. Preparation time for this recipe is around 20 to 25 minutes and these are the ingredients which you need for this recipe. Well, first we prepare the side dish for this recipe. For this I use pre-blanched baby spinach and garlic and oil. Preparation time is about 5 minutes. We can enhance the crunchiness of baby spinach by adding sesame seeds on it. Next we add spices to the raw minced chicken and keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. After that we heat the pan, add oil and we prepare the minced chicken. Preparation time for this recipe is around 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure that you cook this recipe under low flame to enhance the taste and to enhance the flavor of this recipe. So minced chicken recipe is a very nice recipe and very tasty recipe. We can eat this with rice and with side dishes like spinach, like broccoli or any green leafy vegetables. It is a very easy and hassle-free recipe and can be prepared for school lunch or for office lunch or for lazy Sundays also.